Retirement shows up, the meetings stop, the inbox dies, and suddenly so do your habits. No structure, no purpose. You need to fix this before it fixes you. Now, that's the retirement trap that no one talks about, the collapse of structure. Whether you liked it or not, work gave your life a rhythm. It was a pace and an expectation of things to come that moved things forward. There was a structure. It was actually the scaffolding of your life. Whether you liked it or not, that's how work and structure work together. Now, without structure, people will just get bored. They start unraveling. And I'm sure you've probably noticed that among your friends who've already retired, that some of them are struggling a little bit. They seem to be coming apart at the seams. Well, a big part of that is loss of structure. Now, you stop having to wake up early, right? You skip the exercise all of a sudden. Your meals slide. Your sleep shifts. And the days just blur together. And slowly, you forget what made you feel grounded. That's a problem. Structure isn't just about schedules. It's about values in motion. When you align your daily rhythm with what you care about, purpose follows. Now, the problem isn't retirement. The problem is retirement without design and drifting. Now, I've created a little freebie for you. I call it the Daily Purpose Reboot. What it is it's a few questions, a few thought provokers to help you start restructuring your days, start capturing a new rhythm to your life, a rhythm that matters to you, that makes you feel fulfilled and like your day is going to be productive and meaningful, and you'll have values in motion. It's a very simple tool, but a very effective one. If you'd like a free copy of this, just look down in the comments and write the word reboot. You do that, and I will direct message you, DM this gift to you, no charge. You need to fix this before it fixes you. Remember that. That's what this is all about. Fixing that structure, fixing that rhythm, and helping you move ahead in great flow and meaning in your retirement. Ask for your free gift. Just write reboot down in the comments, and I'll send it directly to you. My name is John Hagerman. I'm the founder of Retirement Uprising, and I invite you to watch every one of the videos in this series and to join us. You'll find a lot happening for you. Thank you.